I think Toshio is better than Emperor because you don't have a lot of spells for Archmage. So even if you made your stuff cheaper, you still can't really combo anything with Archmage. Because you don't have any spells other than the 2 Frost Bolts. A couple of secrets and AI, but I think you'd just rather have
You asked for it.
some spare parts. I lost a lot last night. I was pretty drunk when I played my whole session. I wasn't sure what I was doing. I think I lost like 20 games in a row yesterday or something. I don't remember. It was a lot of games in a row. That's why I went down to like 1,000. I probably shouldn't have played louder yet last night. Oh well.
I'll show them all.
Hidden MMR. Alright, hopefully I get duplicates. I'll probably get a bear though. Because I have one duplicate in my hand. This was hard. I think with this hand I'm not going to risk it. And just play the duplicate first instead of the water mental. Actually, it makes sense in more than one way because I have to use my coin the other way for the water mental into duplicate. It's hard to kill, but not impossible. Like, he can shield block, shield slam, and this is my only minion right now. I have a whole handful of like other stuff, so I really need to duplicate this guy and like, yeah, not just coin him out. And if he dies, then I have duplicate bear, heal bot. Yeah, like not a very good hand. Drunk tourney, like playing drinking games during a tournament or something, like where, oh, maybe I could do like a house cup where, so it has to be like where every time you win, I guess, right? Wait, I don't know, drinking games are supposed to punish like losers, but I feel like there needs to be some kind of comeback. It doesn't make sense to just have it where, you know, if you lose a game, you just start drinking more and more, getting more drunk, and then you never win the tournament. Forsen would probably win. Every time a minion dies, take a drink. So you have to like plan around it, play like Freeze Mage and stuff, just don't play any minions. Every time you use your hero power, take a drink or something. Silic, thanks for subbing. Welcome to the Strive crew. Crow Fist. I still think probably the strongest deck got climb probably either one of the Warlocks or Hunter. Maybe a Warrior. I mean, from the tournaments, it seems very obvious that the 5 strongest classes are like Zoo, Handlock, so the 2 Warlocks, then Control Warrior and Patron Warrior, the 2 Warriors, and then Hunter. It's like what everyone plays. Like, you have tournaments where the whole lineup is like, or every, you know, because Conquest is three classes. So yeah, like whole tournaments where like 6 of the 8 people have like the exact 3 classes. I don't think Controller beats Handlock. Or at least not the version I played, like with no zombie chows. Pretty greedy Handlock. I need to kill this.
Fools! Force my hand!
Just so I get the freeze face as well, I don't have to trade into here. Have the duplicate down. This is looking really good for me. It's like set up perfectly. I have hard board to deal with. Not a very big hand, but with duplicate I can just keep throwing these minions at him. He'll run out of cards, and I have some way to stop, like, I don't know, Ysera or something. Would you even run Hearthstone against Handlock if you knew you only wanted to play against Handlock? I'm not sure.
I wield the power.
Flame Strike is not that amazing against War. I'm definitely going to use a Flame Strike here or 2 in my deck. 2 5/4s. I don't think you can get better than this. Oh, you can, but if you want to get better Flame Strike for this, you generally need setup. Like, you can do stuff like Frostbolt, Dr. Boom, like set up over multiple turns with freeze effects. But for like a easy Flame Shark without setup, I don't think he gets better than this. Yeah, this deck is really kind of relying on ordering out. That's one of the weaknesses of this mage. Like, I kind of curved out really well the early mad scientists and duplicates into like the mid game minions, but stuff can definitely go wrong. I'm not far enough ahead to play around Ysera, I believe. To save it for Ysera. I had to stop the freeze on his death spite to kill that, and then you'd steal my guy. Yeah.
Armor made to fit.
Let the pain speak to me.
I did have a read that has a dragon though, with Blackwing Corruptor. Hopefully his dragon is just like Alex or something. Kind of complicated turn. I think I'm gonna probably roll out Baron Geddon almost immediately. Yeah, it's too expensive killing my own guys.
Excuse me.
I'm giving him a lot of armor, which is unfortunate. He hasn't used any shield slams yet, so his armor is pretty effective. What happened? Belcher slime ping is... Oh. I can't believe I didn't see that one. That one seemed kind of obvious. I don't know why I did that. I took extra damage on one of my minions. Tempo is so important in this matchup, but like I'm almost certain that he has Shield Slam and he has 5 armor right now. So Sylvanas just literally dies Shield Slam 1 mana. He can even do something like kill my Sylvanas and play a 9-drop. So I'm just gonna save Sylvanas after the 9-drop, especially if it's something like Ysera. If it's like Alex, I can just be JH plus Healbot after. With 4 secrets, you have a lot more consistency on Mad Scientist. I played a lot with 2 duplicates and 1 barrier. I'm gonna bait out, like, first of all, this peels armor some, because it AoEs immediately. And I want to bait out a BGH before Dr. Boom. I think this is... I'm not sure, it makes sense the other way around, too. Because Geddon can kill VGH, kill a 4-2 very well. I'm gonna ping this. I think that's almost impossible that he trades like this. He's probably gonna use a spell to remove Dr. Boom, so the damage is not gonna be wasted. Have a better chance of killing with bin bots. I mean, the thing is, I got to kill the Cruel Taskmaster though for the other move. I think I need to count which cards he has. This is going to late game. I know he has a dragon because he's played Corruptors. And he hasn't played any dragons yet. I think 1 Shield Slam left, maybe a Brawl. Okay, so he doesn't have Shield Slam or BGH. Nefarian.
More careful. Play with magic.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I don't want to play any more than this. This seems like a decently sized board. Like, probably not too much over this for Brawl. This, I don't think this is like over Commander Brawl, but it's like just enough. I need to have mage spells. Like, mage spells, let's see. There's a lot of burn and AoE. Flame Strike, Blizzard, Fireball, Frostbolt, a lot of secrets. Front zone. Alright, this is good. I can play Solanas here. There's a lot of tension on this board.
I have no time for games.
And no attack here. I guess I'll ping. This is the smiley zone.
Made to fit.
Let the pain speak to
Or he's just gonna kill my guy and hope that I steal one of his other minions. Or what? I'll probably just, like, attack. He has 5 cards. I'm not gonna try to fatigue him out, actually. He's, like, still... I'm not gonna, like, overdo it, you know, I'll probably just let it go naturally, get a couple cards. I don't care that much, but I'm also not gonna ping him. Because if he had 7 or 8 cards, yeah, I would go for it. But right now he's in a situation where he doesn't have anything to do. So this whole fatigue situation depends. Even if he has low cards, if he has low hand size, I don't like giving him the draw.
Let none survive.
I'm not gonna Flame Strike here because then the Death Spite is just gonna kill this guy.
Let none survive.
I'm just gonna attack here and attack like this as well. That way if he attacks me, the Whirlwind will kill the slime, so I can't steal the slime. Echo? Well, that's weird. That's not a good board, Echo. Acolyte? Armorsmith and Slime. Especially with no cards, right? So the other Acolyte is really hard to play as well.
Armor. Made to
Or just gonna play the other Acolyte. Probably not at this point. Alright, so I still have some stuff. Some threats. I should still have a lot of threats, actually. I'm just gonna play slow and reactive. Probably just kill this guy and end it. I don't care about his armor. I just need to kill his threats. He's gonna lose the Fatigue Ore, for sure. Not just the Fatigue Ore, but the Value Ore at the end. I still have Archmage and Rag. Toshli, I believe. Like, I have so much stuff left. He echoed a small board as well, so... Wait, where's my BGH? I thought I had one in my hand. That's so weird. I really thought I had one in my hand.
I'm almost out of cards.
I think I saw the 3 and I thought it was a BGH. So I should save Polymorph. He might have Ysera. This is super easy to deal with because I get to stagger for Flame Strike with this Frostbolt here. I can Flame Strike next turn. There's no point in polymorphing this last turn. I like this over Belcher because Belcher just dies to the Death Spite. Yeah. Looks like I won't be able to get the Flame Strike here, but I can polymorph. Gonna be annoying on this guy though. But what happened? I have 14 armor. Oh my god. It's the barriers. Okay. Oh, I don't feel drunk. I don't feel drunk. I don't know why. I'm like, okay, I can actually kill this.
I wonder.
Alright, this is going to go well for me. I know one is Kar's Acolyte of Pain that he's never going to play.
I can wait longer.
This should be the last card I deal with. I have a lot of health, which is good. So, Shield Slam is a thing still. Rag is really risky because I can 50-50 it, but if I miss, then he can Shield Slam my Ragnaros and just keep pushing the damage. I think this is better, the Belcher here, and the heal. Belcher heal bot. Because, if he trades for the Belcher, then it'll be a 10-5, I can Flame Strike ping. And if he Chill Summons this, then my Rag is safer. Actually, you know what, one thing is that he probably still has BGH, I just realized. I don't think he's ever played a BGH. Oh, I have BGH. There it is.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I should have held the Belcher for Brawl. Although it doesn't matter, he's fatigued. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it matters. I still have 3 cards, and after the Brawl I can play their stuff. Okay, so what are his last 3 cards? Is it Acolyte, Shield Slam, and BGH? Or is it Acolyte... Wait, no, here he used Shield Slam. It says Acolyte, BGH, Brawl, maybe. I think it's those. Let's just... I think he's running out of minions, basically. If I just kill his last minion, I should win.
I'm almost out of cards.
Show them no mercy. Running the program.
He used the mage spells already.
I'm out of cards.
Running the program.
You just get armor every turn, might as well concede.
Pain, speak to me. I've got the beast in my sight.
Well played.
Oh, this is a really good hand against Zoo. Against Handlock, I'm like, it's not that good because you don't have the polymorphs or the BGHs, but against Zoo, it's really good. The sheep is better against Zoo, and I can either just coin out both scientists, or I could just like hold the turn and then coin out the water elemental. It looks like he misses drop. It might still be Zoo though. I'm just gonna play the double scientist opening. Zoo missing 1 drop's not that uncommon. And even like coining out the water elemental against Handlock isn't that good because it doesn't really kill the giants anyways. Or the Twilight Drake. You might as well just like fight them, do some damage with Mad Scientists anyways against Handlock, so. I'm actually worried about attacking. I don't like playing Barrier because when he plays 4-drop, I want to trade both of these in, and then if I play Barrier, I lose the secret. Like, I only have Barrier and Duplicate, so if I played the Barrier and traded both in, I would only get 1 Duplicate, the other one would lose the card, lose the secret.
My work is paramount.
Oh, interesting. Alright, well, I should attack. I mean, yeah, I didn't know, but it seems like this deck is not handlock. I mean, it's handlock, but it's like dragon handlocks, which means that it doesn't have Molten Giants, I think. I'm actually more scared of the spell power, like Implosion and stuff. With the spell power, it's so strong. The Dragon Handlock is very spell based, like Azure Drake, Blood Mage and stuff. Okay, so he's frozen. It's so hard to trade against water elementals. That's why this card's so good. If you ever attack into water elementals, it's just like your board is gone.
I have no time for games.
I think the weird thing about Dragon Warlock is that there's not actually BGH targets. Corruptors, let's see, what are the dragons use? It's like Azure Drakes and then like Malygos or something. Alex, okay. So that's one. Alex makes sense, because they want to... It's like Freeze Mage where they burn you out. So they Alex you and then burn you. That's like a must deal with, I think. Can't leave the Emperor up against a combo deck. I will start playing my BJHs though. 4-2 is strong late game, and I don't need to against this deck. If I have some extra stuff, I'll play them. This costs 7 mana and a ping, so that should be perfect.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I'm getting overwhelmed by the hero power though. I haven't got a duplicate off this game.
I wonder.
My work is paramount. Leave me alone.
This deck might actually be more, maybe it's not the Malygos version, because he's running Faceless Power. Maybe it's, Arcane Golem. Actually, it's almost certainly has Arcane Golem. Yeah, Badabbity, thanks for resubbing. Welcome to the Strife Crew. Crowfist. I'm starting to think the only way I can win this game is fatigue. Like, because I can't deal with this board. I got too much like situational stuff, didn't get enough solid minions.
I wonder.
My hand is too full.
Wait, what do you...
I bring life.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I bring life.
Which one do I kill? The 8-8 does more damage. The 4-2 I can trade one in. But then say he AoEs, yeah, I like killing the 8-8. It's not just about the damage, but the fact that this one dies to Hellfire itself as well.